Got the old Mongo man and KJ out here in the garage on a nice rainy Saturday morning. It's about 10 o'clock. We do have a goal today of trying to get the bottom side of this cab painted. KJ's cleaning up a little bit, so we're going to put you over here in the corner and let you watch. Thanks for stopping by and checking out what we're doing today. And by all means, go down there and smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel. Let's get those numbers up. All right, here we go. All right, everybody, got an hour and 45 minutes in here. KJ and I got quite a bit done. Thankfully, we got everything primed. There was no way that we were ever going to get it painted, but we definitely got it all primed, and now I can do the seam sealer, get that done, and then we'll be ready to paint everything underneath black. So let's take a look, see what we did here. As you guys saw, I went ahead and prepped everything with the wire wheel first, cleaned everything off. Then KJ followed behind me with the DA and sanded everything, and then we've got it all in etching primer. Went ahead and went around the corner here. Did the cab corner as well. So now that cab corner is ready for a little bit of mud, which we are going to do. And then the other cab corner is good for mud too. So it's got the top all cleaned up, painted everything inside of that cowl. So hopefully now we don't have to worry about any of that stuff rusting or rotting away. It'll all be black and it'll look good under the hood of Pat. KJ did get the radiator in. That came in yesterday. He went ahead and got that installed. Looks pretty good. That is the right radiator for the truck. It's a single row. Not only did he get the radiator in, but he also installed the fan shroud. The fan shroud on a 306 is more of a guard, just to keep people from sticking their fingers down in the top there. It says caution fan. I think that's pretty funny. Left hand threads on fan clutch. Boy, that would have been helpful when I tore that apart. Wouldn't it have? So the distributor came in, that's it there. And the dash and the frame. It's been raining pretty hard here, so you can see we get a bunch of water in the garage. I am gonna have to do something about that here because I cannot stand it. There's a bunch laying here and a bunch over by the door. So yeah, things are pretty dirty in here again. We'll have to clean up and then keep moving on. All right, now we're both gonna go get showers and get ready for a basketball game. KJ has a basketball tournament today. Yesterday he was high scorer, and see how he does today. All right, guys, thanks for coming along. We'll get this one posted up here quick and then see what happens. I am gonna try and stop and get some seam sealer on the way home from the basketball game so I can get all that seam sealed tonight and maybe masked and painted black. Who knows? I don't know what time we're gonna get home from the game. I imagine we'll probably all do dinner afterwards and then it'll be a while. So who knows? We'll see. All right. Thanks for watching. The old Mongo Man is out.